Okay, immediate reaction. Why is this thing so light? I've held hard drives that are lighter, or not lighter, that are heavier. I mean, I've never owned an SSD before, so I guess this is new to me, but whatever. It is now time to see if this works. So, I got this hard drive out, so you can see. Now I just need to get this one out. Can't wait. So here's the drive. So now we need to put the new one in, and the new one. Super small in comparison. Look at how dusty this is. I need to get a paper towel. That's better. So as you can see now, Windows is starting to commence like the installation. The drive is in there. I still need to insert the screw. I'm just curious if this is gonna work. But honestly, I was like stressing about this. It would not boot at all. I was like really like trying to figure out why. And I was using this little disc here. I didn't label my Windows disc, and I thought this was it. This is a blank disc. So I'm like freaking out. I'm like, why isn't this working? It's because I didn't put in a freaking blank disc. Anyways, now things seem to be working better, and I hope this works out. So at this point of the install, it is now going to probably pop up the Cortana install thing or whatever. I don't remember what it's called, but it's probably going to pop that up, and it's going to be telling me like how to, there it is. I'm not surprised, to be honest. Okay, I'm going to set this up now. So I just got the files off of this hard drive, since this is the hard drive that I'll be replacing with this smaller one. It works fine, I guess. So yeah, now it's time to finally move back and then screw this hard drive in with one little dinky screw, because that's all that works. So as you can see now, I'm installing the latest version of macOS that the Mac Mini runs. I've been skipping ahead quite a bit of things because I forgot to put in the screws on this thing, and I had to disassemble it again and put it back. Now you can see everything's fine now. This computer down here now has its hard drive upgraded, and I have no idea what to do with this monster. Like, I have absolutely no idea. So as you can see, I am using Mac Post Factor 2.0.1 to force upgrade this thing to Yosemite. I'm going to continue. I agree. And it says what flavor do you like? I'll pick the one that's in my app folder because nothing else works. Or you want to install it, that's fine. There. Okay. So yeah, it should be doing its thing at this point. Because obviously I can't use Lion. I cannot be using Lion every day for what I want to use. So I always upgrade this thing to Yosemite because it's capable. Now, I've done it before. It was in my old hard drive that's now in here. There was a Yosemite partition and it worked fine. Okay, so at this point it is now preparing the OS X installer. And then it will boot into a Yosemite installer. So I'll just wait a little bit. Okay, just a note for people who actually are going to use this software. If you're going to be installing El Cap, I've heard a lot of people having horror stories with kernel panics and just drivers and stuff like not working because you can't turn on or can't turn off driver signatures without doing a bunch of things first. And if you're going to be doing that, I can't help you with that because I personally am not going to be installing El Capitan on this computer. I'm only installing Yosemite. So you got a somewhat good sign. There's a progress bar and it's filling up. So that's Yosemite trying to boot here. Let's see if this works. Install OS X Yosemite. Welcome to the install. OS X will be installed on. The disk is fine. So yeah guys, I got Yosemite installed on that Mac Mini back there. on that SSD. Everything so far is working out except for the Wi-Fi. It will show that it'll show that there is Wi-Fi, but it won't connect to anything. So if any of you know how to fix that, please tell me in the comments. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you all later. Bye, guys.